How to fix Webtoon app. First thing, go to settings and then go to the apps. After you go to the apps, now all what you wanna do is scroll until you find the Webtoon app and click on it like that. After that, click on force stop. And after click on force stop, click on notifications management. Make sure that everything here is enabled. Go back again, click on permissions. Also make sure that everything is enabled like that. Go back and click on data usage. Make sure also to enable all these options here. Go back to the home page, and now all what you want to do is go into the Play Store or the App Store, search for Webtoon and update it from here, as you can see if you found an update option. So don't forget to like, subscribe.